Xylem and Elmodis have co-created a real-time pump performance demo. With this monitoring demonstration, we have the ability to show your customers the real power of Sampro and its unique capabilities. In this video, we will show you the setup of this pump performance demo, how real-time calculations are done on the edge, and how we visualize this on our online platform. Let's start with explaining the layout of the system. We are starting with the monitored asset. In this case, it is a submersible pump. Secondly, the process equipment. We use inlet and outlet valves to simulate set of the scenarios like cavitation, clogging, pump performance changes, and an air vent valve for dry run simulation. And lastly, Sampro is connected to several data sources. From left to right, we monitor the temperature, flow, outlet pressure, and inlet pressure. The foundation for holistic view is built on the top of high-frequency electrical signals measured between inverter and motor, and which is driving impeller. This is how the actual pump demo looks like in our headquarters in Poland. So once again, the flow meter. The pressure sensors. The inlet valve. The outlet valve. And the air vent valve. Submerged in the water tank is the FLYGT pump. And finally here, we are monitoring the water temperature. This is the drive we use to control the speed of the pump. Now we will show you how we measure the electrical signals. Here are the current sensors connected to the three phases of the power cables. And the voltage sensors. This is another advantage. Taking measurements inside the electrical cabinet allows to monitor also submerged pumps, borehole pumps assets in ATEX zones. This is a shot of our edge devices. These devices run the calculations on site without the need of sending raw data to the cloud. Our system can detect issues within seconds. Let's go to the platform view and show how we visualize the data. Here you can see the online view. In the CAD view, you see the pump and the different data sources that are connected with it. As an example, we have the M for motor, where you can see all the real-time data. Then we have the pump parameters and the hydraulic parameters. These are all clickable to get the real-time data that is coming in with a simple mouse click. On the right, you see a picture of the actual asset for easy identification. In the top middle, you see the operating status. And on the top left, the condition. If we scroll down, we will see the machine diagnostic part, divided in a few sections. The operational parameters section and technical condition of the electrical part of the asset. Performance analysis section. At the bottom of the page, we show the event list. Or we can go to a distinct page presenting an events list. This is another powerful feature of Sampro. In case of any warning or alarm, an event is automatically generated with all necessary information. What is the issue? How did we see it? And what are the recommendations to solve the issue? Lastly, you can view the historical data, which allows to make a root cause analysis in case of any anomalies. Finally, what will be presented are the outcomes of the edge intelligence. You can see how in real-time edge device is turning measurements into anomalies and failures detections. So here you see all calculations results which are performed on the edge device. We have the operational parameters, electric power, mechanical power, load, and rotational speed. At the bottom, first high-frequency signals KPIs, and after above machine learning analytics results. And the test bench view in real time. Another way to set up the analysis of the asset's operation is the identifying and tracking of its performance. Sampro can help operators to optimize their pumping systems, increasing asset lifetime. Is the pump operating inside its preferred operating region, close to the best efficiency point, or perhaps the current operating point has an increased risk of failure? Sampro will give you an answers. After this movie, you can go to the next videos showing selected test scenarios, real-time cavitation, clogging and performance tracking. At the end, there is also the possibility of performing a live demonstration during an online meeting.